Are you ready to make your holiday season magical? Naomi Home Christmas, the Evangeline traditional Christmas tree. Stunning traditional Christmas tree designed to bring joy and sparkle to your home. This tree comes with pre-assembled LED lights, giving you the perfect festive glow without the hassle. Choose between 3 enchanting light settings: classic bright yellow for a warm, cozy feel, or vibrant multicolor for a fun and festive atmosphere, or you can do both. Watch the magic unfold as the tree rotates with a simple switch of the base. Enjoy a 360-degree view of your beautiful decorations, creating a dynamic and captivating centerpiece for your holiday celebrations. Please note, the tree light should be plugged into the base, not the wall. Before turning on the base, place the wires correctly and do not leave any hanging wires. And the star of the show, our mesmerizing tree star top. Turn it on and let it project stunning snowflakes onto your ceiling. Use the included remote to turn on and off your star top. Pause whenever you need to. Change to flash mode. Adjust up to 3 different speeds. Select the light intensity. Choose and reset the timer so it can last for as long or as little as you want. The Evangeline traditional Christmas tree comes in various sizes such as 4.5 feet, 6.5 feet, and 7.5 feet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.